The Design tab in the left side menu is where you make site or global level design changes, such as font choice, colors, buttons, plus your logo and title settings. Logo and title lets you set the logo and page title of your website, plus a mobile-specific page title and logo, and an address bar icon. Style Editor lets you modify your website's look and feel, such as fonts and colors. In this section, you can specify your website's header, body, headings, footer, buttons, and input field styles. Page Options lets you set high-level display options, such as a floating or fixed header, shopping cart display, breadcrumb display, and more. Finally, the Social Settings lets you specify your social media site links, such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.